Be part of Control 2024. Control is the event diamond of the QA industry. Quality assurance is the core process of industrial manufacturing. Measure, test, inspect. The outstanding annual international meeting of experts shines since decades due to the professional level of exhibitors and trade visitors. Only here you can find the unique technological diversity in the QA fields of measuring technology, material testing, analytical apparatus, optoelectronics, QA systems and service. With the solutions presented here, international production quality reaches the next level year after year. The airport right next to the exhibition center enables an efficient visit to this unique trade fair. Let's take the next level quality assurance at Control 2024 from 23 to 26 April 2024 in Stuttgart, Germany.